Guys, this is me Periodic Cube, and in this video I'll be showing you how to lubricate your cube with Vaseline. I recommend spreading an own newspaper on the surface where you are lubricating your cube, just like I have done. First step, simply rotate the top layer 45 degrees and pop out an edge piece, just like so. Go ahead and disassemble your cube. I'll only take out 3 pieces because my cube is already lubricated. Dip your finger into the Vaseline jar. Take a small amount and just slide it in there. Spread it as much as you can. Now put back the pieces together. Just work your cube around. Do 2-3 salts, and then your cube will move very smoothly, just like mine. One thing I should mention is that while I only put the Vaseline on one side because my cube is already lubricated and I don't want to over lubricate it, you should do that on all sides. Then your cube will move like a dream on all parts, just like mine. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button down there and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.